Under the quiet sky, your name is in the wind. I call it softly, but the night won't answer me again. Your shadow on the doorway fades into the rain, and every step I take still whispers your name. I'm holding on to echoes of the love we used to know. The warmth of all your memories is all that I have left to hold. If time could turn around, I'd find you in the light. But now I walk alone through this endless night. Are trembling in my tired, shaking hands. Moments frozen in a world that doesn't understand. Your laughter lives in places where my heart can reach. A silent wave of longing breaking on the beach. I'm holding on to echoes of the love we used to know. The warmth of all your memories is all that I have left to hold. If time could turn around, I'd find you in the light. But now I walk alone through this endless night. And if somewhere beyond the stars you hear my quiet plea, keep a little space in heaven. Someday wait for me.